Good day and welcome to another Micrographics vlog. We are an Autodesk partner and reseller. My name is Sean Bauer and I will be presenting this vlog today, 12 November 2024. I am an application engineer and an Autodesk AECO technical consultant with Micrographics. And today's topic is effortless cloud rendering in Revit, high quality results in minutes. On the agenda for today, we have an introduction to cloud rendering, preparing your model, selecting the rendering options, and then viewing and downloading your rendering. So, the introduction to the cloud rendering in Revit. What is cloud rendering? Cloud rendering is a powerful feature that allows Revit users to offload the processing of high-quality 3D visualizations to cloud servers instead of relying on local hardware. With cloud rendering, Revit users can achieve photorealistic results more efficiently. This feature processes large, complex architectural and interior models quickly, delivering professional quality renderings without straining the local resources. Flex tokens. To use cloud rendering in Revit, you'll need an Autodesk subscription plan that includes cloud credits, now known as Autodesk Flex tokens. These tokens allow access to cloud-based tools and services, including rendering, simulations, and analysis. What you will need is the Autodesk account and the subscription. You will need the tokens. You can purchase the tokens as you need them. And you'll need an internet connection. Since cloud rendering is done on remote Autodesk servers, you need a stable internet connection to upload your Revit model and access the rendered output in your gallery. Token usage example. Standard quality rendering might consume minimal number of tokens, while higher resolution panoramic or still images or photorealistic renderings will use more tokens. Key benefits: time saving. Cloud rendering frees up local computers, enabling users to keep working on other tasks while the rendering completes remotely in the background. This minimizes downtime and accelerates project timelines. Enhanced quality. By utilizing high-performance cloud servers, users can achieve higher resolution and better lighting detail, making renderings look more realistic. And hardware flexibility. Even users with less powerful hardware can access top-tier rendering quality through the cloud, leveling the playing field across devices. Cloud rendering in Revit combines convenience and quality, allowing architects and designers to focus on creativity while the heavy lifting happens in the cloud. Preparing your model. You can turn on your sun path to do a solar study within Revit. Make the adjustments to the settings that are available for your output. Preferences, casting shadows, selecting the appropriate sunlight intensity, the angle of the sunlight, and assign materials to all your elements to ensure for your final look and feel that you are going for. Selecting rendering options. In the View tab, Presentation panel, you can select Revit Render, you can select Cloud Rendering and Twinmotion. Cloud rendering drop-down menu offers you the option to render in the cloud and to view those renderings in the render gallery. Select the render in the cloud. There you have output types once you start the cloud rendering. So step one is selecting the 3D view or views that you would like to render. Step 2 is a notification. You can select whether you would like the notification or receive an email. And step 3 is then to view it. The options that you have is selecting the 3D view or views. The output type, you get the options for still image, ideal for high resolution static images of a model, often used in presentations. You can select panorama or stereo panorama. Creates an interactive 360-degree image, which is perfect for immersive experiences. Panoramas allows viewers to explore the space from a single vantage point, adding an engaging layer for clients. And then also you have the illuminance option for the output types, which provides insights into artificial lighting, crucial for interior layouts where lighting is a priority. Crowd rendering allows you to adjust the render quality and image size by pixels, which directly impacts the quality and rendering time. Revit offers different megapixel options ranging from small 0.25 megapixels to maximum up to 16 megapixels. The render quality, you have two options, standard and final. For standard is for quick previews or small images. You can use low resolution, which typically does not consume cloud credits. This is ideal when experimenting with different views and testing lighting adjustments. And then final is for producing high quality images, which will require more cloud credits but results in crisper visuals. These options are best suited for final presentations or detailed visuals shared with clients or stakeholders. Once you start the rendering in the cloud, it will continue in the background and you can close this dialog box. These are the options that you have that you can select for image size. And small and medium pixels on a standard rendered quality do not consume any cloud credits. As part of the presentation, I will show a quick demonstration. Once you've applied all your materials in your Revit model, you can create different views. And on your View tab, Presentation panel, Cloud Rendering, you can select Render in Cloud. It will show you the steps. Make your selection. You can select your view or views that you would like to render. You can do more than one at a time. Currently, you will see with the settings I have selected, the image size being medium, render quality standard, and the exposure at advanced for a still image, 0 cloud credits are required. If I make changes to a panorama, you will see the things start updating as I make changes. If I go into final presentation, there now for a stereo panorama for final presentation will require 3 credits. I will just do a still image, final presentation at maximum megapixels, which will require 16 credits. And I'll take the exposure at advanced, not native. Here at the bottom, you can select email me when complete. I prefer receiving an email, which gives you a link directly to your gallery, and you can start your rendering. It will notify you if anything is missing, any elements for your materials. If you would like to see the progress of your rendering in Revit, in the drop down, you can select the gallery. You will see that it is searching, and on your internet browser, it will take you to the rendering gallery, where it will give you a progress report as the rendering is active. Once your rendering is complete, you have additional options to turn the still image into a panorama, stereo panorama, to do a solar study, the luminance for lighting adjustments, to have a turntable imagery. You have post-processing, download and delete. Post-processing gives you the option to change the exposure value, perhaps have a few settings that you can change the saturation, and those kind of values that you can adapt. As an example, here is a solar study to show you how the sun would move through a single day. And another example, changing your still image into a panoramic view where you can view your room in 360 degrees. You could move your camera to the middle if you wanted to have a view from the middle. So, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us here at Micrographics. Hope you found this vlog informative and that you are now able to do some cloud rendering. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to like and hit that notification bell for future webinars. Thanks again, and goodbye.